Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Let's learn how to make easy, delicious, hassle-free Indian chicken biryani in a pressure cooker. So basically it's a one-pot biryani, very easy to make. So first soak some washed rice and keep it aside. Now let's marinate the chicken with some ginger and garlic paste and the spices like turmeric, coriander, red chili and garam masala. Add all these spices into the chicken with some yogurt and mix and marinate this chicken really well and keep it aside. Now let's start cooking by adding some oil into a pressure cooker. With this oil, I'm also adding around 2 tablespoons of ghee and add the whole spices like bay leaf, cardamom, cinnamon, peppercorn, cloves and some shahi jeera. Just saute it for some seconds in oil and then add sliced onions. Saute it till it changes its color and becomes translucent. Our onions have sauteed well and then add some cashew nuts, but this is just optional. If you like those crunch in between that biryani, you can add it. Now add the marinated chicken and saute it for some time. After that, add our soaked and drained rice and mix it with the chicken. Add enough salt and then water. So what I did is I added water into the bowl where I marinated the chicken, mix it and add that water into the pressure cooker so that we don't waste any bits and pieces of the marination. Finally, add 2 green chilies and dried mint leaf, but if you have the fresh one, you can add that. Close the lid and wait for 1 whistle. Just before the second whistle, turn off the flame and let it sit and release its pressure by its own. And after that, when you open it, the beautiful and aromatic biryani is ready. Just separate the rice using a fork and you can see the rice is perfectly cooked. This super easy cooker biryani is perfect for those lazy days where you don't want to cook anything but still want to eat something delicious. So definitely try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.